Welcome and hello. I'm your host, Didi Sitanco, and also your friend here on this day. Thursday again, Webes na naman po, at tayo magsasama-sama sa isang oras ng talakayan. Ngayon, mukhang may party kami dito sa set. Opo, meron kaming party. At ang mga bisita namin po ngayon ay mga food experts from 4 provinces. Batangas, Cavite, Rizal, and Quezon. Ito po ang First Southern Luzon Gourmet Festival. Hi, welcome back to this day. Masayang-masaya ako ngayon dahil napakaganda ng set. Thank you to our guest na pakikilala ko sa inyo. Let me introduce Andrew. Andrew is a balikbayan here on the show. He was here with the Food Caterers Association of the Philippines, and where he is vice president. And of course, he's president of Town's Delight, which is a catering service started by his mother, who we will meet on the show, and then his wife, no? Connie.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, Andrew, tell us more about the first Gourmet Festival.
Okay, so it's really very interesting to note that the first Southern Luzon Gourmet Festival will be held in Cavite, and specifically in Tagaytay City. So, and I believe the event will be very progressive since there's a lot of people who really show interests to support and to participate in our event. And this is the first time we'll be doing this. That's why we would like everybody to come over and visit on Feb 24, 25, and 26. That's why enthusiasts and professional people who are into industry can always visit us and check and taste
And learn.
our food and learn. Okay,
and
so
learn.
aside from that, we'll be also have conducting seminars. So for those who are interested to become caterers or restaurant owners in
And
the
libre,
future.
libre ang mga seminars.
Seminars will be categorically charged
minimally,
for
yes.
some. Yeah.
Because of the food ingredients.
Yes.
Pabalik tayo dito sa this day, makikilala pa natin yung mga iba pang mga players dito sa food festival na ito. So stay with us here on this day. Okay, alam nyo, ako'y may hawak na dahon. Kung very observant kayo, baka kayo may ganitong dahon sa inyong backyard. At sabi nga ni Mama Sel, ineksperimentuhan nila, instead na yung usual spinach, no?
Spinach o kangkong.
Kangkong, alaghoy.
Alagaw.
Alagay.
Alagaw.
Alagaw. So, Connie, explain mo na kung ano.
So, nag-prepare na po kami ng batter. So, ito po ay gawa sa cornstarch, flour, and then meron siyang egg, and then ice water, and then konting seasoning lang na salt.
Okay.
Ayan po. So, nag-prepare na kami ahead of time.
Okay.
And then, so, lulutuin na po natin siya. You just have to dip it. So, it's like, parang, pwedeng parang crispy spinach or a la tempura style. Usually kasi ginagamit natin kangkong, kaya
kangkong.
spinach. Dito naman talagang dahon ng alagaw na usually ginagamit sa pagluluto ng mga hito or kaya ay palaka.
Palaka.
In Cavite.
Palaka.
So dito naman po ay nagpapakulo po kami ng broth na made of seafoods naman po for our sinigang.
Sinigang. Ang sinigang ba ng Cavite, merong miso o yung plain lang?
Ito naman po ay merong tanglad.
Tanglad.
Opo, na hindi na kinakailangan
Ang
isa pa.
bango-bango. Tanglad. What oil did you use, Connie?
Actually, yung pong available sa market na oil lang po ginagamit natin for this kasi hindi naman po siya masyadong sensitive.
So, ang mother-in-law mo rin na nag-develop niyan?
Opo.
Sige na, bow na ako sa iyo, Mama Sel. Yun ho bang lihim ni Lola? Kayo rin? Pag kayo mapasyal dun sa isang outlet ng Town's Delight o magpa-cater kayo sa kanila, hingin ho yung dessert yung lihim ni Lola. Meron pa kayo isang dessert na masarap na natikman ko
Unday-unday po.
Unday-unday. Okay. Narinig naman nyo yun, unday-unday. So, meron silang unday-unday. Tapos, aayusin ninyo ng maganda. Ayan. Tapos, kumukulo na rin ang sinigang.
Opo.
Aha. Okay, appetizer pa lang yan.
So ito po, hindi mahal. Kasi
Oo.
talagang available kahit sa paligid lang natin. You just have to make sure na malinis siya.
Oo.
Aha. Okay, so dito naman po tayo ay gagawa po tayo ng sinigang. So unahin po natin ang
Talong.
kasi matigas po siya na kailangan maluto agad.
Tapos yung mga
And then,
gulay, okay?
Opo,
Oo.
ito pong halamismis.
Halangis-ngis. Ano po yung halangis?
Kalamismis.
Kalamismis. Okay.
And then okra.
Okra. I type ko okra. Okay.
And then ang ating gabi.
Alright, yung gabi.
So kapag okay na po siya, malambot na siya, so saka po natin idadagdag
Yung...
itong mga labanos.
Okay.
And then ang ating kamote tops. Tapos pa saka po natin idadagdag itong ating kamatis,
Aha.
siling haba na pangsigang. Opo, at saka po yung ating sibuyas.
Tapos ang seafood.
Opo.
Tignan ninyo, maganda ang
Boiling,
kanyang...
oo,
Pag
boiling.
kumukulo dapat at saka nyo, At saka lang ninyo ilalagay yung seafood pagka na.
Kasi ang seafood madaling maluto.
Madaling maluto, okay.
Tumigas pag matagal.
Pagka matagal na yung kulo, ang ilang minuto bago nyo ilagyan ng
Yung mga seafood. Pagluto na ng mga gulay.
Pagluto na.
Oo.
Okay. So, ayan, anong seafood yan? Taho?
Ito po ay tanige.
Tanige. Naku,
And then
napakaganda.
pusit.
Pusit na nakahiwa na.
Opo,
Tapos
nag-blanch
tahong na fresh.
And then tahong po.
Alimasag.
Alimasag.
Alimasag. Naku, kasarap. At, ano yun?
Alimasag.
Hipon.
Ipon na.
Hipon, okay. At ano yung maliit na yun?
Alaan.
Yan po ang
Okay.
halaan.
So, yan ang seafood. Yan ang seafood sinigang ng Town's Delight. Kumbaga sa Frances yan ang bouillabaisse niya.
Oo,
Di ba?
bouillabaisse,
Okay. Ngayon, habang nagluluto yan, magpapaalam na po kami ngayon dito sa This Day. Napakaganda ho nang nangyari dito at marami tayong natutuhan. At salamat, Andrew.
Ako maraming salamat din po sa inyong pagpapaunlak na kami makabalik dito at para maipakita sa inyo yung aming mga paboritong putahe, hindi lamang sa Cavite, but of course, in our promotion, na sana yung dumalo yung lahat sa aming tinatawag na First Southern Luzon Gourmet Festival. Yes, Miss Teta?
Yes, I'd like to thank you once again, Ms. Tanco, for inviting us, giving us the chance to promote.
Pleasure, yeah.
Inaanyayahan po namin kayong lahat na dumalo, February 24, 25, and 26, of course, at the Olivares Country Hotel, no?
Yeah,
Country
okay.
Hotel. And this event is, of course, endorsed by the Department of Trade and Industry and the Department of Tourism.
And on behalf of the staff and crew of RPN9, this day, maraming salamat po for making my day very bright and very happy and very delicious. Mamaya we'll taste all their Magkita tayo next week dito po sa This Day.